Hello guys, this is Julia, and today I have my Windows tablet, which I've been trying to do a lot of work with it, so I'm going to tell you guys what's going on with it. So, basically, my tablet isn't working right. There's no sound at all. I reset it, but it reset the Windows 10, with the Windows 10 reset files. Because before, originally, a couple months ago, when I reset it, I think in that video, I didn't do the factory reset. I just did the reset by deleting files. I didn't do the factory one, which would go back to 8 because I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to go back to 10 because I didn't have the key. But now I have the key to Windows 10 on here, and I found a way to get it. So if I do reinstall 8, I could re-upgrade to 10 because I feel like this tablet worked better when I did an upgrade install from 8 to 10 than when I just reinstalled 10. And another thing, I don't feel like it's fully resetting because you guys can see the screen scale is still set, which when you reset, it shouldn't have this screen scale. It should not be here. And yes, this install, I never connected to the internet. I grabbed this Dell backup and recovery and put it on a SD card, and then is what I did was I put the SD card in here on top of here and put the file on here. As you guys could see, it's not listed anymore, and you could see how much space. See, there's not even a lot of space. There's like 14.7 gigs, and this is like a fresh install. It only has that one program. So is what we're gonna try to do, which I downloaded this recovery thinking that when I reset with it, with the recovery, it would maybe bring back 8 from the recovery partition, and then I'll be able to re-upgrade it with my key for 10, which is my plan. Because it worked better, and besides I lost like the office that came with it, and so it doesn't work as good either. The sound never works out of the box. It's not fully resetting, and I felt like when I used the recovery partition, like it fully reset because everything would look like I just got it. But when you reset with Windows 10, it doesn't look like that. It just looks like a clean install of 10, and it has like no drivers, and Windows Update won't even find them, and from the site I could get them, it would just be more difficult. This is what makes me good hope, though, is it says to create factory recovery media, saying that this is a copy that came from our factory, so it can be used to repair, restore device back to original state, which is what I want to do. And you just saw that weird something flash, like a command prompt just flashed. So it thinks it wants me to do this, which is good because it means the recovery partition is still there if it actually wants me to create the recovery media here for the factory. So I just say later for now because I don't have an OTG adapter up here to hook up something to make recovery media. So it recognizes my tablet, and it's saying last backup not performed, so it's not backed up. System backup update required, I don't know. But if I go to recovery here, you could see it's got a factory image, which is good, okay? But here's a problem. It says that's from the 25th of December, which today's Christmas, so Merry Christmas, guys, if you're watching this on Christmas, if I'm even uploading it on Christmas. Which makes me think, because before it said this weird message, I'll put screenshots in, but it was like something about the PE, Windows PE or something, recovery. I think it said it was updating PE environment or something. And I hope it didn't put like Windows 10 in there, because that's not the original. Unless it like combined the programs with it, then that would be good. But I'm not sure if this is one it just created, or if this is actually the factory image, the real one, because the date is not right. Maybe it's because I just installed this and it like reconfigured itself to where it would work. So I thought after this, before I tried it, but it said it wasn't charged enough when it rebooted. The battery's now 99%. It won't go to 100. Not sure why. I hope that doesn't affect it. But if we go to settings and go to update and security, I'm going to show you how I actually reset it. Was here. I clicked reset this PC, which saying it's not running well, reset. I did this a couple times, but before I did it, I tried to delete the reset file so it would go back to the factory image. Like this sys reset, I deleted that. I deleted and the Windows BT folder and the ESD folder, and even when resetting it, it still resets to 10. I don't know why. I thought I deleted all the files. And this was just created because I tried to reset it, which I'm going to show you guys what happens when you try to reset now that I have that installed. So I'm just going to tell it, okay, reset. It's always reset every single time, which is weird. So I'm going to remove everything. And there's a problem resetting your PC. No changes were made. Are you serious? It won't reset anymore. Ever since installing that program, it will not let me reset now. It's like it actually did delete the reset files, because if I try to reset, it doesn't work anymore in settings. So let's go into the logs. Let's see. Let's go here. Windows PE, which it is in the partition 4 recovery, OS install location, partition 7 Dell image. That's good. So why can't it actually work? I think the image build number. Maybe it'll tell me what build number it is. This is system info dump. Yeah, build 14393. But the recovery, I think, is 8. Yup, 9600. It is. It's still there. And then the reason why it won't work is because unsupported WinRE/OS versions factory scenario is not available. Weird. So I think if I use the Dell, then it's going to use that because it's Dell and it's going to restore the factory image. I just think it reconfigured itself, so it has the wrong date, but I think it's going to work. So we did something when we installed this. It got rid of the Windows 10 recovery and put back the 8 recovery. And because this tablet's on 10 and not 8, now 10 can't reset it. So this would be the only thing to reset it. So let's actually try it. Let's click it. Yes, continue. I hope it works, because before, the battery might have to be 100. Because it was plugged in at like 84%, and it said, oh, this isn't going to work. The battery needs to be higher. And I'm like, what? Maybe it has to be above 90. I think that's the case. So I'm going to restart. I'm kind of scared what's going to happen here. I hope it really uses it. Please select the system backup carefully. Any system backup newer than the one selected will be deleted. Do you want to continue? Yes, because that is the newest one. It's the only one on the list. Okay. I think it's going to go in that weird environment. I don't know what it's going to look like. But let's just see. So, Dell, please wait. I'm going to put it this way. I'm not sure if this is going to work or what it's going to look like. I don't know if it's going to actually use the image from Dell. I am not sure, but if it does, thank God, which one of my friends actually found this download because I thought I looked on Dell and I couldn't find it. Yes! Okay. I can't read this. Please click on next for the factory image. Click on ignore if you want to restore your device to another point. Click on advanced. Let's do this one. Next. Oh God. It says restore your device. What? Next. I've never done this. What does that say? What? I don't even know what that said. No, erase my personal files. I don't want them. Next. It's now restoring your device. I'm scared. I don't know what I'm doing. It's this font is so ridiculously small, and my eyes are so bad that I can't read it. Preparing your hard drive. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I'm gonna come back when something different happens. Oh my god, an error occurred creating the system partition. Oh no! Well, let's just click OK. I hope I didn't just break it. Oopsies. Please still boot. Oh, it looks like it's still gonna boot. I'm gonna figure out why it can't create it. Well, I can't reset my tablet now. That won't work, and neither will settings. Oh no. Well, wait, I'm gonna look up that error and find out how to repair it, but maybe there's something I have to do. Okay, guys, so we're back. Let's go back. Let's go back to Dell Recovery. And if you guys have any solutions, if I don't find it in this video, please let me know. This is a struggle. Why can't it create a system partition? Well, I hope it didn't actually delete the recovery partition. Oh, we have like the same amount of storage, so... I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe I'll have to make that flash drive and try it again. Well, I need to get that OTG adapter. But I don't have it. Or until remind me later, because I don't have. Okay, so we're back, but we're kind of stuck. It's a question mark. Activity logs. Yeah. Can I see it? Is that all? Because it's not, it didn't even work. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna probably lock that out because that's probably personal. Okay. Well, personal to the tablet itself, so I'm gonna maybe update the Dell recovery software, but I'm also gonna look up the error. So I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I tried updating the Dell recovery software, and it says it downloaded files, quality files, and prepared the recovery environment. I'm gonna click finish. It just rebooted. Okay. It didn't take long, so hopefully I can try to reset it now. I heard it's gonna reset with the 10, but as long as it has all the, like, stuff, all the programs, that's fine. Okay, it's still going. It's, logging in now. Alright, so, take tablet mode off. I hate that mode. Okay. There's actually, let's see. There's actually commands you can do to see like what the recovery is in the command prompt, but I'll be right back so I can grab that command. Okay, guys, so this command tells you the recovery's info for the recovery and the RE locations on partition 4 recovery Windows RE, and the recovery image is on the other partition Dell image. So looks like it's still there. I'm going to turn the internet off, though, on this if I can, so I don't want it to, like, start installing updates or something. So let's try to reset it now. I don't know if it's going to reset to 10 or 8 or what it's going to do. But I'm going to try. It probably has a new date on the factory image again. This is an updated version. Because the one on Dell's website was outdated. Imagine that. You would think it would be updated, but nope. This should be the 1.9 version now. So, let's see. Still, I'm just gonna let it do its own thing. Come back. Well, now it says updating PE environment again, like it did yesterday when I installed this, but you guys didn't see this, so I'm gonna let this do its thing. Okay, guys, so you can see after that it says the creation of a Windows 10 system backup is recommended. Take advantage of Upgrade or Premium, which I don't need that because I don't mind using the 8, so I'm just gonna continue it and be like, I'm just going to, how do I go back out of this? Here, I'm gonna just exit and go back in. I don't want to use that. I'm just gonna have to cancel that or something. So, let's see what this does. Okay, here we go. See, it still has the factory thing, so I'm gonna click later. It's not backed up, so now we're gonna go to recovery. But before we actually see what our image is actually showing. What? I'm not sure what happened there. What in the... There's our image. It still exists. Well, let's try this. I wonder if these are the same. No, that's the C drive. There's that, which has some of the files were changed. And if we go to this one, some of them were changed, but the image is still the same. I don't know why there's 2 of them. Let's go to disk management. Find out what that looks like. There's only one 4 gig, but we still have 3 recovery partitions. It all looks strange, but we are going to close that. And see, we're getting our image. It's so weird. Like, how are we still getting that image? I don't understand why we're still getting that, but you can see that. So we're just going to try to use it. So it's good. There's smart repair. No, I want to go to system recovery. Wait, what? Is it just going to do it itself? Oh, no, it's not. The date is still different. Let's try it. If this doesn't work, bad. I think it's going to recognize the system partition now. That's just a message saying that everything will be deleted. Yeah, sure. I don't care. Oh, there it goes. Restarting. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Okay. Hold on. This is going to be very small print again, which is going to make it very difficult to read. Okay, this is going to be difficult. It probably worked now because a program that was fully compatible with 10 now. Well, let's see. Okay, wait. Is it going to actually... do something. Well, yes. System recovery. Next. You did have to click that. Again, this is really hard to read. No. I want to do system recovery. I clicked system recovery, I thought, but it's not wanting to do it. Do it. What? No, that's not what I want to do. Hold on. I can't even read this. We'll just skip that. Yeah, I don't care that everything will be lost, so. That's gonna fail. It's gonna fail to do the stinking partitions. To be honest, I'm not having much hope. I don't know why. I feel like this isn't gonna work. I hope it does. This is where it failed last time. Please don't give that error. Please don't give that error. Please don't. Please don't. Do not even do that. Do not give that stinking error. You can do it. It hasn't done it yet. Oh my god. Did it work? I think it worked. It's restoring. Holy crap! Oh my god, I did it! Yeah! It worked. I think this is the Windows 10 meter though. I'm not sure if it's 8 or 10. Holy crap. I kind of hope it's 8. I want to upgrade from 8 to 10 for the upgrade installs from now on. Please work, please work, please work, please work, please work, please work. Oh my god, it's working. Okay, guys, I'm so happy right now. I just had to update the program. I just hope it doesn't get stuck. I'll be back when this makes progress, okay? But this is awesome. Anyways, I'll be back, guys. Alright, bye-bye for now. Guys, just a little update. It is indeed working. That's saying it's like, that says Dell Backup Recovery is now restoring your device. System recovery, backing up. Well, not backing up, restoring system. You could see it says restoring your system. It's kind of blurry though. I don't know if it's restoring 8 or if it's restoring 10. I heard this tool's updated for 10, so I have no idea. But then that thing popped up saying you need the premium version, so I think it's actually 8. And it's resetting faster than Windows 10 could ever reset this device. And I remember every time I reset it with 8, it reset in like 10 minutes, so I think that's a good sign. Because it's like a image instead of reinstalling it, so it's like faster. Because my images though, because I had a lot of stuff, this has nothing, just the OS. Mine took like 40 minutes, probably, for my actual computer over here. Well, guys, I'll be back when this finishes. I'm so happy it's working. Yay! Okay, guys, I'll be back. Guys, it just completed the recovery. Holy crap. Oh my god, it just completed the recovery. I'm scared. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? I don't know what OS it is now. Is it 8 or 10? I really don't even know. It doesn't look like it, though. No, it doesn't look... No. It does not. Doesn't look like it one bit. This is 10. This is 10. This is so 10. Look at that! There's no stinking way. Someone said it was impossible to go back. because 10 changed the recovery process. Oh, wait, what? This looks different. Hold on. Oh my god, stop talking. What is this? It won't move. I think it did reset to 8, though. Look at this. Because it looks different than when I reset it with 10. This looks completely 100 stinking % different. Yeah? Oh my god, it did. It did reset it to 8. Holy crap. Ooh. Look at this. What color do I want? Let's do that one. I like that color. I'm just gonna name it Julia's tablet. Yeah, like, that's a great name. Okay, let's just push. Oh, do I have to connect to Wi-Fi? No, I'm gonna skip it. I don't like automatic updates because Windows Update doesn't work in Windows 8. I have to probably fix it. I'm gonna update it though when it's on to the updates if I can, but I just want to see something. I'll have to get driver updates. Yeah, that's fine. Use Air Windows airporting. Use yep, that's normal. Now these off, because I don't like any of those. I'm gonna get patch Julia. Oh, I like the keyboard on this. I like the sounds. I like the older sounds. They sound better. Next, finalizing. Wait, what? Hi. We're setting up things for you. Of course you are. What's it doing? You can get new apps from the store. Yeah, we stinking know that. But look at that, guys. I'll come back when this thing logs in, but this is pretty impressive. I was not expecting that to work, like, for 1 second. But I'll be back, but yay. Guys, look at this. It actually reset. That is awesome. Yep. That definitely reset. The scale of the screen's different. I might leave it. It's kind of small, but when I made it bigger, it didn't look right. Or maybe I'll find another way to make it bigger. But this is pretty cool. So that's just showing you my experiences of how to get this Dell Venue 8 Pro 5830, I think it was, back to the factory once you reset it in Windows 10, and then you can't, like, get it back to the factory. That's how you do it, guys. Install the Dell recovery, backup and recovery, update it to the latest version, and then run a system recovery, and you're back. And I still have the product key, so I can re-upgrade it. But I might mess with 8 a little bit, because I like 8. I have a dual boot on my computer, actually, with 8 and 10, so pretty cool. Well, guys, thanks for watching, and maybe this tablet will run better. I don't know, Windows 10 was kind of glitchy. Let's see if there's sound. Yup. There's sound back, and I didn't have sound before, so that's just great. And I think I have Office as well, which I had Office before, and I lost it. Yep, right there. And I have the product key for that still, so... Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps you guys that have this Dell tablet. Those are my adventures with it. I don't know when I'm going to be uploading this. It's actually Christmas, so Merry Christmas, guys, watching this video. But, alright, yeah, the time is wrong. It's off by an hour, but thanks for watching, guys, and bye-bye for now. And this is awesome.